Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video. And today it's a really special video because it was you in Instagram who chose that wanted to see this video. So in today's video we're going to talk about Live Listen, which is a feature that has been available since iOS 11, but it's now available with AirPods from iOS 12. Live Listen is a feature that's really handy for people with hearing problems that pretty much lets you put your AirPods on and then place your iPhone near the person that's speaking. That way your iPhone will catch the sound via the microphone and transmit it to the AirPods so you can hear it louder. Again, this feature was available prior to iOS 12, however what's new with iOS 12 is that you can use your AirPods. Previously the only thing you could use were some certified hearing devices, but now with the AirPods it's more accessible to many people. So to use this feature, the first thing you have to do is go to Settings and scroll down to Control Center and Customize Controls, and inside the controls that are not added you have to tap on this one, which is Hearing. So if you tap the plus button it will be added to your control center and you can of course move it to wherever you want. Once you've done that, you go to your control center and you will see Hearing here. If we 3D touch or long press on non-3D touch devices, we get this. So as you see, it knows that my AirPods are the device I'm going to use, and it says unavailable for current route because I don't have my AirPods on. So I'm going to put my AirPods on. And as you see, this changed to off. So now if I press on, it will turn on, and yeah, I have my AirPods on and it's really hard to talk because I'm hearing my voice almost, at the same time, just a little bit later. This indicates the volume that it's reaching right now. So yeah, as I said earlier, the iPhone is picking up the sound from the microphone and it's transmitting it to my AirPods. And right now I'm hearing to my voice double, which is quite nonsense. However, where this feature takes a lot of sense, it's when taking your iPhone near someone you want to hear. So for example, you can put it near the TV and you can sit and relax listening to the TV quietly. Or if you're in a bar listening to a conversation with someone, you can take your iPhone near that person. Also, if you hear it really loud or really low, you can control the volume as simple as controlling the volume of your iOS device with the buttons. Finally, when you're out of the control center, you will see these bars here, like if you're calling or anything, if you're in another app and you're using Live Listen. So this was everything I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Also, thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more Apple related content coming every week. Also, I wanted to say that I have already started university. I started it yesterday and it's going to be harder for me to keep up posting content. However, I will promise I will do my best to post at least twice or 3 times a week. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram where you'll be able to stay up to date with everything that I'm up to. And of course vote about the content I post. The best example is today's video. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.